Hi, I'm Jason Blicker. I'm a Systema instructor and strength and conditioning coach certified, and one of the first in Canada to be certified in body tempering. These are some of the body tempering tools. We call these big ones rollers. This is called a little guy, and this is about 47, 48 pounds. This is about 77, 80 pounds. It's a stainless steel created by Donnie Thompson and Big Rob Hesselton down in the States. Once I got certified body tempering, I got excited and began to want to create some things to include in body tempering. These are the original heavy hands. They're handheld tools. These are made of 316 stainless steel, and I call these ones the waves. And so you move it across the body and it relaxes and diffuses and it works the body, sort of to bring a sense of overall well-being. And this is the original Heavy Hands Body Tempering Pillow. Great for Systema, for grappling, wrestling. You can hold it and it can settle you down and relax you. Looking forward to rolling people out. It's great for men and women alike. It's all about overall wellness. And this is a wonderful way and an addition to Systema. And I'm just really honored and grateful to be a part of it here with Vlad and Valerie and everyone. Look forward to seeing you.
One way you relax the muscle, another way you give them weight, what you cannot do with hands. So it's different things. It's very good for health.